How good is your Spanish? This is a 50 basic Spanish food words challenge. Do you think it's easy? Most people can't get more than 30 right. Let's see how many you really know. Let's begin. How do you say apple?
Manzana.
How do you say carrot?
Zanahoria.
How do you say lettuce?
Lechuga.
How do you say noodle soup?
Sopa de fideos.
How do you say bread?
Pan.
How do you say rice?
Arroz.
How do you say orange?
Naranja.
How do you say strawberry?
Fresa.
How do you say egg?
Huevo.
How do you say tomato?
Tomate.
How do you say pepper?
Pimienta.
How do you say watermelon?
Sandía.
How do you say grape?
Uva.
How do you say potato?
Papa.
How do you say honey?
Miel.
How do you say lemonade?
Limonada.
How do you say cherry?
Cereza.
How do you say peanut butter?
Mantequilla de maní.
How do you say beans?
Frijoles.
How do you say ice cream?
Helado.
How do you say French fries?
Papas fritas.
How do you say fish?
Pescado.
How do you say soup?
Sopa.
How do you say candy?
Caramelo.
How do you say bacon?
Tocino.
How do you say pickles?
Pepinillos.
How do you say peanut?
Maní.
How do you say garlic?
Ajo.
How do you say flour?
Harina.
How do you say avocado?
Aguacate.
How do you say popcorn?
Palomitas de maíz.
How do you say wheat?
Trigo.
How do you say cheese?
Queso.
How do you say jelly?
Gelatina.
How do you say oatmeal?
Avena.
How do you say pumpkin?
Calabaza.
How do you say chicken?
Pollo.
How do you say cookies?
Galletas.
How do you say orange juice?
Jugo de naranja.
How do you say salad?
Ensalada.
How do you say sausage?
Salchicha.
How do you say pineapple?
Piña.
How do you say sugar?
Azúcar.
How do you say corn?
Maíz.
How do you say cucumber?
Pepino.
How do you say almond?
Almendra.
How do you say chewing gum?
Chicle.
How do you say soda?
Refresco.
How do you say milk?
Leche.
How do you say jam?
Mermelada.
Thanks for watching the video. Remember to subscribe and keep learning with us. Comment if you were able to complete them all. See you in the next video.